Welcome to the Cruise Biology. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about exam that is AIEE that is conducted by ICAR for the UG program. ICAR, what is the basic things about ICAR and how to crack this AIEE entrance examination for the bachelor programs, that is undergraduation programs, and why you have to clear these exams. For that we are talking about in this whole video on how to crack, what is the exam syllabus, what is the eligibility pattern of exam, and how to crack and what is the cutoff of the exam. So what is the strategy to clear this exam? First of all, what is ICAR? ICAR is the Indian Council of Agriculture Research. That is the institution that provides the admission in the all over India, Indian university for the agriculture program. That is, they are providing the fellowship and for the study for the UG program and post graduation program as well as PhD programs. So AIEEA, that is the All India Entrance Examination for the admission in undergraduation programs. We are talking about the undergraduation programs. So they are providing the fellowship for the undergraduation program as well as admission in the universities of different agriculture universities. So for that they are providing the NTS. If you clear this exam and getting the admission in agriculture university, they are providing the National Talent scholarships, and in this NTS they are providing 2000 per month. If you are the the state of domicile, that is, suppose any state of domicile, that is, suppose you are from UP and you are taking admission in the rather than in UP, in all over India, so you are providing the 2000 rupees per month for the studies throughout the year of your UG program. So that is given by the ICAR Institute. And first of all, if we talk about the eligibility for this exam, that is the 10 plus 2, that means 11 or 12th, you have completed the 11 or 12th exam. So that is the eligibility for this exam. Now this exam is conducted online. The link that is given below the description, you can check out this link, and this form to fill up this exam, that is also online, and you can fill up this form and getting the eligibility, you can see that, and you can clear the exam and getting the admission in different institutes of all over India. So this the base of this exam, that is the online for the UG program. Now if we talk about the paper of if we talk about the pattern, so for that there is 180 questions that contains 4 marks of each question that contains the 4 marks. So total will be 720 marks paper is there. So total marks that will be 720 for this paper, and the time is provided, that is 2 hour and 30 minutes. That is the time provided to attempt the exam. So if we talk about the pattern, that is 180 questions, MCQ based question is there. You have to fill up these questions that is provided online, and you have to attempt within 2 hours and 30 minutes. So there will be negative marking of 1/4. It means if you are choose the question, if you are tick mark that wrong question, then 1 mark will be deducted from this questions. So that is the negative marking of this exam. Now there will be the syllabus what is the syllabus for this exam. So if you talk about the syllabus, there will be three groups. Either you are coming from the PCB, that is physics, chemistry, biology stream. If you are coming from physics, chemistry, maths, or if you are coming from the physics, chemistry, agriculture, or otherwise PCBM, physics, chemistry, biology, maths. So there are three groups, and the syllabus is differ for the each group. Syllabus for the physics for this same, chemistry is same. The different syllabus for the biology, maths and agriculture is there. The syllabus that is given in the website is given the syllabus in the link given below the description. The syllabus is given. Syllabus is almost from the NCERT 11 and 12th syllabus. They are covering the 11 and 12th syllabus. So the link is given below the description for the syllabus also. The link is also for the website and eligibility. Paper of pattern, that is also given below this, below the description. Link is given here in this below the video. And what is the strategy to crack this exam, and what is the cutoff for the exam? So there is the 60 questions per group. 60 questions for physics, 60 questions for chemistry, and the 60 questions from this group, either maths, biology or agriculture. So you have a 2 hour and 30 minutes for this exam. So which group you have to attempt the first? So the first of all, based on my experience, you must have to attend from these two group. First of all, if you are coming from the maths, then attempt the chemistry, then physics, and then maths. So what happens here? The chemistry questions are most easiest, and you don't have the enough calculation for that. But for the physics and maths, you have time required for the calculation. So first clear the chemistry base, then you can go for physics and maths. Now second thing, if you are from biology, then attempt the biology first, because they are memory based questions, and the level of exam that is as compared to NEET, that is the not toughest as compared to the NEET. So first clear the biology section, then go for the chemistry, and then go for the physics. That is almost similar to if you are coming from the agriculture group, that is first clear the agriculture group, then chemistry, then physics. So if you are attending this type of pattern, you can definitely clear the exam. And if you want to clear this exam, the cutoff that is given in this exam, that is 50% or 45% for each different caste, that is if you are coming from OBC, general quota and SC ST, that is differ. If you want to crack this exam, then you have to must have to above the minimum criteria. And if you attempt this in this strategy, you can definitely crack the exam. For that, if you want to see the cutoff, that is the cutoff link is also given below the description. For year wise, cutoff is given the year wise. You can see the different years and the cutoff. And after this clearing of this exam, you can get the admission in the different ICAR institutes. So there will be 50% seats is fill up in the ICAR institutes throughout all over India. Through this ICAR, there is 50% seats is fill up. So you can see that the different seats is available for the different states. You can see also that in prospects of the ICR. So if you are clearing this AIAA UG ICR, then you can get the admission and you can get the fellowship for the undergraduate program throughout this coursework of this year. So you can get in the different discipline based on that, physics, chemistry, maths, or biology, or agriculture. Based on that you can get the admission. So that is all about the ICR UG program and how to crack this UG exam. I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and thanks for watching. And you can search out the different videos that is also for the PG program and for the PhD program, and the syllabus that is also given, and some useful links that is given below the description. Must go to there. And thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful to you guys.